everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Marybeth back with you. Excited to be here as always. This is going to be more of a short version, condensed video, giving you a guided back office walkthrough tour, and then we're going to get into a little bit of marketing. I'm going to share with you some different resources, ones that I've been using that have been tested and proven to work for a long time, and we're going to just do a deep dive into it. So if you're ready, so am I. This is the back office that you're going to get access to after you complete steps 1 and 2, which is to pay your $50 one-time membership and then your $12.95 one-time admin fee. No monthly fees at all ever. Okay? So you'll be able to log in successfully after those 2 steps have been completed. You'll go ahead here and click Get Started. You're going to want to watch this little 17-minute orientation video that's going to step you through exactly how to be set up properly and effectively and successfully. So don't take any shortcuts, because remember, there's no shortcuts when it comes to success. Watch every single minute of this, okay? And you'll be very glad that you did. Then we're going to go into our instructions, and you'll be able to review all the ranks right here, some pertinent information. You'll enter your payment information into the profile. You can get paid however you want. This is direct pay, instant pay, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. All right. Here's the information on the banners, how the compensation plan works, which is very, very simple. It has some really nice leverage built into it, and that's always fun, and that's always exciting, okay? And then we do have a Facebook group for paid members, so if you have a Facebook account, I would highly recommend that you request to join the Facebook group, because there's a lot of great information contained within this Facebook group, okay? So definitely do indeed check that out. This is where you're going to complete your profile with your information into the fields and then decide how you want to get paid and input your payment details. All right. Downline, you'll track, monitor all your directs and all your pass ups right in this area here. Here is the marketing. This is wonderful information right here. The company provides you with different options for offline, for direct mail. This just so happens to not only be our busy season in the home-based business industry, but also in the direct mail order industry. August, hey, this is it, folks. We've been waiting for this, and it's finally here. August through the end of the year, till the holidays. This is prime time, peak season in the home-based business industry, as well as direct mail order industry. It's direct mail order boom time, and there's many reasons why this is a busy season, folks. Kiddos are all going back to school. Parents need extra money to help them with their supplies, their supply list, their sports, their activities, extracurriculars, and then not to mention, a lot of people start getting ready right about now for the holidays, and we know what that brings about. The need for extra income. That's why a simple side hustle like this is ideal. All right? So many people are pouring in. I'm loving it. Folks, in the last 24 hours or less, I had 3 new signups. I'm going to share that with you here momentarily. But yeah, we've got a flyer that you can download. We've got a postcard gallery that you can check out and download and get printed off, print yourself, outsource it or DIY, whatever works for you. Here's 4 different text ads, great to use. A great email swipe. If you have any kind of a semblance of a warm email list or an actual email list, folks, use this. Use it, for your liking, for your greater good, to help you and to benefit you. I love this, the ultimate ad generator. This can help you if you don't know how to create emails, folks. It is literally this easy. You click this little icon, generate your ad. There is an ad right there awaiting you, and you can take this out to any safe list, solo ad resource, email resource, even your own list, your own warm contact list of emails, or your own actual email list, okay? And you can start generating as many of these emails as you would like to contained in here. Here is the different banner ads, the codes, copy and paste onto any banner site, okay? So you can promote this however and wherever you want. I'm going to share with you some great resources that I know can definitely help you out. But remember, consistency, that's the name of the game, folks. You've got to be consistent. Just, one ad placement probably isn't going to produce desirable results, but you have to stay with it, stay in the game, keep showing up daily, keep sharing, keep advertising. Lots of free methods, folks. Social media, we got Facebook, we got YouTube. YouTube is my primary, Facebook is my secondary. We also have TikTok and Instagram. We've got Pinterest, we've got LinkedIn, just to name a few, okay? But yeah, YouTube, I do these screen sharing videos because I like to show and share exactly what you're getting, the value, the transparency, the whole 9 yards, okay? Totally believe in it. It has served me very, very well for many years. And, for my thumbnail, for my image ads, my ads for Facebook, I use Canva, okay? So my screen sharing, I do through ScreenPal, and then I upload them to my YouTube channel, Retire with Marybeth. And go ahead and like, subscribe. Greatly appreciate your support to my Retire with Marybeth YouTube channel. And then Facebook, I download the images that the company provides. I upload them to my Facebook stories and to my profile page. I keep it simple. Those are two phenomenal free resources, YouTube and Facebook. It's all about building, and it's all about consistency. If you're going to do videos, you want to keep doing them. You don't want to stop. You don't want to quit, okay? You don't want to stop dead in your tracks and just do one or two and never come back and never do any more uploads. You stick with it, folks, okay? Same with Facebook. You don't just do one post, folks. You continuously post, all right? That's what's going to give you the best results ever, all right? So we've got all of our marketing here. Now we're going to share a couple of additional resources besides our YouTube and our Facebook. We're going to try over here, we're going to go to Traffic Zest. This is a phenomenal resource, folks. You create a free account. You can watch this little demo video, short demo video, exactly how it works. Check out the results, check out the proof by using Traffic Zest traffic, and check out the testimonials. Phenomenal, folks, okay? Traffic Zest, TrafficZest.com. Now, Herculist, I've been using these guys for a long time too, tested and proven to work. Herculist. Again, we sign up here, we log in, and there's many different resources, many different options. Okay, hourly ad submissions. You can earn cash for reading emails, automatic downline builder, free traffic every time you log into your account, up to 50% commissions paid out within hours. On the affiliate program, complete marketing system, daily drawings and monthly contests, $5 sign-up bonus, folks. You got all kind of options. You submit your ads now. Okay, there's many different members here, folks. Lots of members. Total over, well, almost 400,000 members, folks. Okay, so this is a great resource. And then I also have been using Udemy, udimi.com for many years. Likewise, you go here, you create yourself a free account, and then once you do that, you log in and you go and you buy your solo ads. You join Udemy here. They have an affiliate program too, so this is wonderful. Always make sure you check out the reviews, check out the ratings, check it all out, the gut sales. For example, we click on a traffic vendor right here. Start from where you are. A lot of them have different minimums. Most of them start at 100 clicks. Just start with where you're able to, where you're most comfortable with, and scale up as you go. As you start earning, folks, increase the number of clicks that you're purchasing. It's all very scalable, okay? And that is the name of the game, folks. Scalable for success. All right? So check out the testimonials. Look at this good traffic, really good. Helped me to get my first commission. Thanks. I'll order soon again. Got sales. I mean, got sales. You probably get the gist of it. So, udimi.com. All right? And then we're going to go to my marketing system that I've been using for the last several years called My Capture Page. Okay? And we're going to go to mycapturepage.com/Profit Pals Pro. This is going to take you to a little demo page. You can watch this, a full-blown system overview, including a setup tutorial. Here's a little thumbnail. Everyone needs traffic. If you go to mycapturepagetraffic.com, you can click here, and there's 3 tested and proven resources. I happen to like the My Capture page leads right here. So click there. This is going to be your exclusive traffic. I like the real-time traffic. It's quite good. And you can start with 50, the quantity of 50, or the quantity of 100, okay? Order it up, just provide them with your link, and they will run traffic for you, and you can start to generate leads from that, all right? Now, My Capture page, it happens to be dailypaybeginshere.com. This has a built-in follow-up email autoresponder, works like a charm. Enter your information. Once you do, you're going to be redirected right over here, okay, to my landing page with 3 explainer videos. They work for me 24/7 around the clock. They do all my telling, selling, and explaining, so I do not have to. They'll do the same for you, whether it be 2 a.m. in the morning or 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Video number 1. Video number 2, a phenomenal presentation of 10 minutes, breaks it all down very simplistically. And then we have a wonderful pay plan video, a great compensation plan with fun, exciting leverage built into it. You're going to absolutely love it. For great potential, you're ready to get started. When is the best time? Right now, today, folks. This is the time, this is the place, and this is the season. $50 one time plus a nominal $12.95 admin fee. Okay? Doesn't get any better, folks. Instant pay, direct pay. You have the potential to get paid on a daily basis, ongoing daily basis, even multiple times a day. You have that potential. It does exist. Of course, I can't make claims, guarantees, or promises, but the potential is here because it's super simple, it's super affordable, great products, everything you need, folks. A high converting marketing system. Get started today. Click there. This will go to the company sales page. You're provided with one of these. Scroll on down, review everything. There's videos contained here. We got a wonderful, for illustrative purposes, this will give you some idea, some insight into what's possible and the potential that exists. Start with 1, double it, triple it, quadruple it. Go with 5, go as high as you would like to. It's just going to give you some insight, some perspective, okay, into what is possible with this opportunity. Here's wonderful testimonials. Click on these little arrows and you can hear from other happy, satisfied customers, why they love it so much, okay? And then when you really think about it, folks, what is there not to love with this? If you're looking for a simple side hustle, a side gig, you need extra cash, folks, this is the place to be, all right? Here's the product, the 5K Formula Bundled Pack. You can check it all out in its entirety for yourself. Click here to play, listen to a 10-minute audio of exactly what you're going to learn, because you're going to be able to earn while you learn, okay? A whole $4.99 value for just $50 one time. One time, folks. Click here to see the package. Do indeed check this out. Check it all out. Then proceed to get started. Follow step 1. This is me. This is my rank right here, Blue Diamond at the time of this video. Here's my contact details. I accept Square. Okay, you can pay with a card. You can do Cash App. You can do Afterpay. You can split this up into 4 interest-free payments if you qualify, the $50. All right. Super affordable. I accept Cash App. Here's my PayPal info, my Venmo info, and my Wise info, all right? Then we drop to step 2. You pay the admin one time, only $12.95. That's it. That's all you have to do. You can pay with a card, okay? If you're international, here's additional payment options. Revolt. We have got Wise, I believe, and Bitcoin, okay? So it's all here for you. Now, here is my information, my full name spelled out, and my ID happens to be 743. Do indeed pay. Very important information right here. Pay attention. You have to do this. It's very important. Please send or forward a copy of the $50 purchase receipt to profitpalspro@gmail.com. Include the sponsor name and the ID, whether it's a direct or a pass up, to get your account created and activated. Easy. There's my name right there, and there's my ID. Now, if you have any issues, any problems sending this over, just reach out to me, text me, call me, and I will be more than happy to submit your receipt, proof of payment on your behalf to the admin. I've done it for many members already, and I will be happy to do it for you. And in closing, I would love very much to welcome a couple new team members here that just got started with me, okay? We have Dan, we have Shane, and we have Anthony. Okay, so just wanted to get that out there. Again, congratulations, gentlemen. You made a great decision. You're in the right place at the right time. And welcome aboard. You know how to reach me if you have any questions. Dan, Shane, and Anthony, 3 new members, got me $150 in commissions, $50 a pop, in the last 24 hours. So this is a fun system, folks. I know you're going to love it. Head on over now to dailypaybeginshere.com because that's exactly where your potential for daily pay begins. Right here, folks. Okay? 330-787-1795. Any questions? Text or call, and I will be here to assist. Thank you so much. See you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.